Divide the polynomial 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 and verify the remainder with 0 of the divisor. So this is the polynomial 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. This is the divisor. X minus 1 is the divisor. Now this polynomial divide by x minus 1. First take the divisor. In the dividend 2x power 4 means 2x power 4 means 2 into x into x into x into x. X write 4 times. Then here divisor there is x. 2x power 4 how many times will come with x? So we check it. X cancel. There is 2x cube. There is 2x cube. So we take the 2x cube in the quotient. 2x cube. Now this quotient multiply with the divisor. 2x cube into x. 2x power 4 minus here plus here minus plus into minus minus then 2x cube into 1 2x cube. Now cancellation, here plus is there, we change the symbol, opposite symbol. Here minus is there, we change the plus symbol. Here plus, here minus, we take this, we take the cancel, and here plus is there, minus, we change the minus. So consider opposite symbol. Here minus, here plus is there. Then here 4 minus 2, 2. 2x cube. Here minus symbol big is there. So then keep the minus symbol. Again minus 3x. Now here minus 2x cube. Now 2x cube how many times will come in the x? 2x cube means 2 into x 3 times. You can write the 3 times. And here x. How many times come x? X cancel. There is 2x square. So we will take the 2x square minus 2x square minus 2x square. This quotient, this term multiply with the divisor. Minus 2x square into x minus 2x cube. Next minus into minus plus. 2x square into 1 2x square plus 2x square. Then subtract. Here minus is there, write the plus, here minus. So here not same terms, unlike terms are there. Here plus minus plus both are cancel. Then here plus, there is change the symbol, minus 2x square minus 2x square. Next minus 3x. Then take the minus 1. Now here minus 2x square. 2x square means 2 into x by x. X cancel, there is 2x. Here minus is there, minus 2x. Now 2x into x minus 1. 2x into x, 2x square. So here minus, here plus, minus into plus, minus. Then 2x into 1, 2x. 2x. Here minus, here minus. Minus into minus, plus. Now subtract. There is plus. They both are cancelled. Here minus. 3 plus 2. This minus 3, this minus 2. Both are same symbols. Then add it. Minus 5x minus 1. Then now 5x. 5x, 5 into x. Here how many times will come? In x minus, there is minus, change the plus symbol. Here plus is there, minus change. Both are cancelled. Minus 1, minus 5, minus 6. The quotient is 2x cube